IRIS Practice Engine Online Training. What is the IRIS Practice Engine and how does it work? The IRIS Practice Engine is a software tool designed to support healthcare providers, particularly in medical practices, with streamlining their workflow, improving efficiency, and enhancing patient care. It is commonly used to assist with clinical decision support, practice management, and patient care management, among other functions. Key features of IRIS Practice Engine. Clinical decision support. IRIS integrates data from electronic health records, EHR, and provides recommendations to healthcare professionals based on clinical guidelines, enhancing patient care. Patient management. It helps manage patient data, including appointments, medical history, and treatment plans, allowing for better coordination of care. Practice workflow automation. The engine automates routine administrative tasks such as scheduling, billing, and reporting, reducing the time spent on these tasks and freeing up healthcare professionals to focus more on patients. Analytics and reporting. The software includes robust reporting and analytics capabilities, helping practices track key performance indicators, KPIs, patient outcomes, and operational metrics. Interoperability. It allows for seamless integration with other healthcare systems such as EHR, practice management software, and third-party applications to ensure that all data is easily accessible and shareable. Regulatory compliance. The IRIS Practice Engine supports compliance with healthcare regulations such as HIPAA and ensures that practices meet legal and regulatory requirements in their operations. How it works. Data integration. The engine pulls data from multiple sources, such as patient records, lab results, medical imaging, and other healthcare systems, and aggregates it in a central location. Decision support. Based on this data, IRIS applies clinical guidelines and algorithms to suggest the best treatment options for patients. Workflow automation. It automates administrative tasks such as scheduling, billing, and follow-ups, making the practice more efficient and reducing human error. Real-time analytics. The system provides real-time analytics to monitor performance, track patient progress, and identify areas for improvement in the practice. How can the IRIS Practice Engine streamline workflow in medical practices? The IRIS Practice Engine, designed for medical practices, can significantly streamline workflows through a combination of automation, integration, and optimization of key processes. Here's how it works. Automated patient management. The engine automates patient intake, appointment scheduling, and reminders, reducing administrative burdens. Patients can schedule appointments online, and reminders for upcoming visits are automatically sent via text, email, or phone, which helps reduce no-shows. Electronic Health Record (EHR) integration. IRIS integrates seamlessly with EHR systems, allowing practitioners to quickly access and update patient records, which improves efficiency and reduces the time spent on paperwork. This integration also supports clinical decision-making by providing up-to-date patient information. Billing and coding automation. It simplifies the billing and coding processes by automatically assigning the correct codes to patient visits, minimizing human error, and speeding up claim submissions. This reduces administrative time and helps ensure timely reimbursements. Practice management. IRIS supports practice management by centralizing tasks such as insurance verification, claims management, and reporting. These automated processes help reduce delays and errors, enabling smoother practice operations. Financial management. The system helps with revenue cycle management, including tracking outstanding claims, handling denied claims, and improving cash flow. With its reporting and analytics capabilities, IRIS helps practices monitor financial health and performance. Collaboration and communication. IRIS enhances internal communication among practice staff, allowing seamless sharing of information and coordination. Whether it's coordinating patient care or managing administrative tasks, the system ensures that everyone is on the same page. Compliance and security. The system adheres to regulatory requirements such as HIPAA, ensuring that patient data is securely handled. Automation of compliance-related tasks helps reduce the risk of human error and increases practice efficiency. What are the key features of the IRIS Practice Engine for healthcare providers? The IRIS Practice Engine is a comprehensive solution designed for healthcare providers, focusing on streamlining practice management, improving operational efficiency, and enhancing patient care. Here are the key features. Electronic Health Records (EHR) management. IRIS integrates EHR systems, allowing healthcare providers to manage patient records digitally. This feature improves accessibility, reduces errors, and supports regulatory compliance. Scheduling and appointment management. It offers tools to efficiently schedule appointments, manage patient workflows, and send reminders to patients, optimizing time management for healthcare professionals. Billing and revenue cycle management. The platform helps automate billing, claims processing, and payment tracking. It supports insurance claims submission, payment posting, and financial reporting, ensuring better revenue cycle management. Clinical decision support. IRIS provides tools to assist healthcare providers with clinical decision-making by integrating evidence-based guidelines and patient data to improve treatment plans and outcomes. Patient Portal. The system offers a patient portal where patients can view their medical records, schedule appointments, request prescriptions, and communicate with their healthcare provider, increasing patient engagement and satisfaction. Telemedicine integration. IRIS supports telemedicine features, enabling healthcare providers to offer remote consultations and manage virtual appointments seamlessly. Reporting and analytics. It includes advanced reporting and analytics tools that help providers monitor practice performance, track key metrics, and make data-driven decisions for improving care quality. Compliance and security. The platform ensures compliance with industry standards such as HIPAA and other healthcare regulations, providing secure data storage and transmission to protect patient information. Workflow automation. IRIS automates routine administrative tasks such as patient check-ins, data entry, and follow-up reminders, reducing manual effort and improving operational efficiency. Customizability and integration. The system is flexible, offering customizable features to suit different practice sizes and specialties. It also integrates with other healthcare systems and third-party tools for a seamless experience. How does IRIS Practice Engine integrate with existing healthcare systems? The IRIS Practice Engine integrates with existing healthcare systems by leveraging several key strategies to ensure seamless interoperability and data exchange. Here's how it typically integrates. 1. For fast healthcare interoperability resources, standards. IRIS Practice Engine often uses FAR standards, which are widely adopted for electronic health data exchange. This allows it to integrate with electronic health record (EHR) systems, health information management (HIM) platforms, and other healthcare systems that support FAR-based APIs. 2. HL7 integration. In addition to FAR, the IRIS Practice Engine can integrate with healthcare systems using HL7, Health Level 7, messaging. HL7 is a long-established standard for the exchange of clinical and administrative data. IRIS can send and receive HL7 messages to and from other healthcare software, ensuring compatibility with EHRs, LIS, Laboratory Information Systems, RIS, Radiology Information Systems, and other patient management systems. 3. Data synchronization. IRIS Practice Engine ensures that patient data, including medical records, appointment schedules, and billing information, is synchronized across systems. This reduces errors due to data silos and improves real-time decision-making and clinical workflows. 4. API-based integration. The Practice Engine uses RESTful APIs to communicate with other healthcare platforms, enabling easy integration with both cloud-based and on-premises systems. APIs ensure real-time data exchange, such as updates on patient health status, medical history, or treatment plans, between the Practice Engine and other critical systems. 5. Single Sign-On, SSO. To improve user experience, IRIS integrates with existing authentication systems, enabling single sign-on, SSO. This allows healthcare providers to access multiple systems like EHR, scheduling, and billing without needing to log in separately to each one. 6. Cloud-based and on-premises solutions. The IRIS Practice Engine can integrate both with cloud-based solutions such as cloud EHRs and on-premises systems, offering flexibility depending on the healthcare facility's infrastructure. 7. Clinical Decision Support, CDS, integration. It can connect with Clinical Decision Support Systems, CDSS, to provide evidence-based recommendations to healthcare providers in real time. By integrating with CDS, the Practice Engine helps clinicians make more informed decisions during patient care. 8. Billing and financial systems integration. IRIS integrates with practice management systems and billing software to ensure seamless data flow for financial transactions. This includes integration with insurance verification, claim submissions, and payment processing systems. 9. Patient engagement platforms. Integration with patient portals or mobile health apps is another way IRIS enhances patient engagement. Patients can access their health data, schedule appointments, and receive reminders directly from the practice's system. 10. Custom integration capabilities. IRIS Practice Engine is customizable, which allows it to integrate with proprietary or legacy systems in healthcare environments. Custom connectors or middleware may be used to bridge gaps between the engine and older systems. What are the benefits of using IRIS Practice Engine for medical billing? The IRIS Practice Engine offers several benefits for medical billing, streamlining the process for healthcare providers. Some of the key benefits include automation of billing tasks. The IRIS Practice Engine automates various aspects of the billing process, reducing the need for manual data entry and minimizing human errors. This helps ensure more accurate and timely billing. Improved claims accuracy. With built-in validation checks, the system helps prevent errors in claims submission, which reduces the chances of claim rejections and denials. This leads to faster reimbursement and improved revenue cycle management. Faster payment processing. IRIS Practice Engine speeds up the entire billing workflow, from claim creation to payment posting. This results in quicker processing times and helps reduce the time between service delivery and payment receipt. Integration with EHR/EMR systems. The engine integrates seamlessly with electronic health records (EHR) or electronic medical records (EMR) systems, allowing for smoother data flow and ensuring that patient and treatment information is accurately reflected in billing. Comprehensive reporting. The platform provides real-time reporting capabilities, offering insights into the financial health of a practice. It enables providers to track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as claim status, revenue, and outstanding balances. Compliance with regulations. IRIS Practice Engine helps ensure that the billing process complies with current healthcare regulations, including HIPAA and other payer requirements, thus reducing the risk of penalties or legal issues. Customizable and scalable. The system is flexible and can be tailored to fit the needs of different medical practices, whether small clinics or large healthcare networks. It also scales as the practice grows, supporting a wider range of billing codes and payer contracts. Enhanced patient experience. By reducing billing errors and improving the accuracy of patient statements, the platform enhances the patient experience, ensuring they receive correct and timely information regarding their payments and balances. Can IRIS Practice Engine help improve patient management and scheduling? Yes, the IRIS Practice Engine can help improve patient management and scheduling in several ways. Appointment scheduling. IRIS Practice Engine offers robust scheduling tools that allow healthcare providers to efficiently manage appointments. It helps avoid overbooking and ensures proper allocation of time slots, improving patient flow and reducing wait times. Patient records management. The system integrates patient information, making it easy to access medical histories, treatment plans, and appointment records. This centralized data can streamline patient management and improve the quality of care. Automated reminders. The Practice Engine can send automated reminders to patients about upcoming appointments, reducing no-shows and ensuring better utilization of appointment slots. Staff coordination. IRIS facilitates better coordination between medical staff and departments by providing real-time updates on patient appointments and availability, ensuring that resources are optimally allocated. Reporting and analytics. It can generate reports that help analyze patient scheduling trends, identify inefficiencies, and optimize the overall scheduling process. These insights can be used for continuous improvement. Patient communication. The system often includes features for easy patient communication, such as confirming appointments, rescheduling, and tracking follow-ups. which can enhance the patient experience and reduce administrative burden. How does IRIS Practice Engine enhance compliance and data security? IRIS Practice Engine enhances compliance and data security in several ways, making it a robust solution for managing sensitive information. Here are the key ways it achieves this. Data encryption. IRIS Practice Engine ensures that all sensitive data, including client information, is encrypted both at rest and in transit. This prevents unauthorized access during storage and transmission, enhancing data security. Role-based access control. RBAC it provides granular access control, allowing administrators to define roles and permissions for users. This ensures that only authorized personnel can access specific types of sensitive data, helping maintain compliance with privacy regulations. Audit trails. The platform keeps comprehensive logs of user actions and system activities. This audit trail is essential for compliance with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and others, as it allows organizations to track who accessed what data and when. Regulatory compliance reporting. IRIS Practice Engine comes with pre-built reports and dashboards that assist organizations in meeting regulatory requirements. These reports provide insights into data access and usage, making it easier to demonstrate compliance during audits. Data backup and disaster recovery. The platform supports automated backups and disaster recovery processes. This ensures that data is protected from loss or corruption, helping organizations maintain business continuity and adhere to compliance standards. Secure client communication. The platform offers secure channels for client communications, such as secure messaging and document sharing, ensuring that all sensitive interactions are protected from unauthorized access. Customization for compliance. IRIS Practice Engine can be customized to meet the specific compliance needs of different industries, providing flexibility for users in regulated environments. Why choose ProExcellency for IRIS Practice Engine online training? Choosing ProExcellency for IRIS Practice Engine online training can offer several advantages, especially for individuals or teams looking to enhance their expertise in this platform. Here are some reasons why ProExcellency could be a good choice. Experienced trainers. ProExcellency is known for its skilled and experienced trainers who provide in-depth knowledge of IRIS Practice Engine. Their trainers have practical experience, ensuring real-world insights are included in the training. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency offers a well-structured curriculum that covers all essential topics related to IRIS Practice Engine. This ensures that learners gain a holistic understanding of the platform and its application in various business scenarios. Flexible learning options. The online training is flexible, allowing learners to access course materials, live sessions, and recorded videos at their convenience. This is particularly useful for professionals with busy schedules. Hands-on training. ProExcellency emphasizes practical learning, providing opportunities for hands-on experience with the IRIS Practice Engine. This practical approach helps solidify theoretical knowledge and improves skill retention. Industry-relevant content. The training includes industry-specific examples and case studies, making it relevant for professionals working in sectors where IRIS Practice Engine is widely used. Support and guidance. ProExcellency offers continuous support throughout the training, addressing any doubts or queries learners may have. This ensures a smooth learning experience. Certifications. Upon successful completion, ProExcellency provides certification that can add value to your resume, demonstrating your expertise in using IRIS Practice Engine effectively. Customer testimonials. Positive feedback from previous students who have taken the training highlights its effectiveness in building both theoretical and practical knowledge. Thank you.